In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo gallery to GoDaddy Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to insert a clean, professional gallery and upload your images in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name. From that drop-down, choose My Products. This brings you to a dashboard with everything you own on GoDaddy. Scroll to the Websites plus Marketing section. Find the website you want to work on and click Manage. On the next screen, select Edit Website to launch the site editor. Give it a moment to load. Now choose the page and spot where you want the gallery to appear. Hover until you see a plus icon for adding a new section, then click that plus sign. A panel will open with different section types. Select Image Gallery to see the gallery options, then choose Photo Gallery. For this tutorial, we're going with the vertical gallery layout because it displays large images beautifully and works well for showcasing detail. You can always change layouts later if you want a different look. With the section added, it's time to bring in your pictures. In the Settings panel for your new gallery, find Gallery Images and click the plus icon. Next, choose Add Images. A file picker will open from your computer. Select the images you want to upload. Pick a cohesive set that fits the story of your page, and try to keep similar orientations for a cleaner grid. When you've made your selections, click Add to Photo Gallery to upload and place them into your section. After the images appear, take a moment to review how they look in the layout. If needed, rename your image files before upload for better organization and search visibility, and consider adding concise alt text within the editor for accessibility and SEO. Aim for high-quality images that are optimized for the web so your pages load quickly. Around a few hundred kilobytes per image is a good target. Consistent aspect ratios also help your gallery feel more polished. That's it. You searched for GoDaddy, signed in, went to My Products, opened Websites plus Marketing, managed your site, clicked Edit Website, added a new section with the plus icon, selected Image Gallery, chose Photo Gallery, picked the vertical layout, and uploaded your images using Add Images and Add to Photo Gallery. Follow these steps, and your GoDaddy site will have a sharp, engaging photo gallery ready for your visitors.